Beat and drugs, music, can't see me.
Up on the internet, that chat, yip, yap. Gun rise, click, clock, cameraman, a pitch that. Say you a sky, got drunk up. No pitch box, trace like a gal in a nightgown. Flip flop.
Me not beg no friend. All who like me, continue to like me. Not change your mind. I like people that I love it. I'm a family them.
Scary night at the movies, and they are the best, you know me, they even have to prove it. A one shot fire them dead. Me pull up a shell of wet bread.
Where's the name, teacher?
GX name. Andrew Beckford.
Andrew Beckford?
Yeah, Andrew Beckford.
OC GX?
Yeah.
When I wake up in my deep sleep, I wake up in the front of 6 police or 7. GX at gunpoint.
Beenie Man did warn me about you come out of my email.
I tell her the hungry black man me fuck. I the hungry black man me fuck. And me and fuck Addy from him ugly. From him ugly and broke and hungry.
Me never this cartel, me just a vent. I've put up with so much over the years, and I shall put up with no more. And him a go give me all away. My work so hard for me.
The vibe is electric. Yes. The vibe is electric. Yes. And I'm gonna get that fever drink. First of all, it's that white rum.
Yes.
And let me explain to you.
What do you make of critics who are thinking that once a Marley is in a category, then it's a done deal? You know, a Marley I go win.
Well, we try already and we never win. So.
Cartel do anything when Elephant Man do in a real yet? Make we not go. I kill them and Beenie them then. Make a reason now. Cartel damage the world like Elephant Man yet?
When reggae music did up on a low, the person who saved reggae music was Chronics. When Chronics come out, Chronics come save reggae music.
Put your grills in a crowd, feel like a cloud. And I batty that one, the alley cold. Go close, style. Pussy, you can't style.
Yo, man, I don't lie, still you can't listen to. It have a little vibe, man. It have a little vibe.
Shanstown, nobody top it blood clot singing. Stop it singing. You and Cartel are blood clot, big friend. You see.
Your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you. Shanstown, show.
I wanna deal with other kids being racist when I pick me at school, like, because Roger come from school today and his teacher called me and I say, oh, you know, other kids are calling nigga.
Truth about Deva Brat, Vybz Kartel who won't see him.
Whatever them want rascal call them, want ask you a question, youth. I tell them, nah, I'm par with you. Because he's a rapist. You is no longer a part of the Gaza. Get over it. You go get up every day and sing song about Cartel through the man don't want par with you.
What happened to you? I want me see me Prime Minister. I want me Prime Minister. The Prime Minister, I want me councillor love me.
I like me see something. With one little girl from Spanish Town Road. She number 40. They must say one unpossessive man pull prize door and tear off the little girl.
I'm glad. I see how me as a ring out ass. Listen to me. The man of the moment. I don't care where you come from. Alright, now see me? Actually. Go see them. Actually. Joke doing everything, man. Yes.
Well, eating is for free. I'm not cheap.
Get one other man crazy. You this the gen, I know the whole of Spanish town I go play.
Yes, people, viewers and subscribers, we're back again, you know, with one next one, you know, fully epic, you know. Yeah, today we are going to talk about Skipper. Them say Skipper man of interest for daddy badness thing, but you know what thing come down. Yeah, we are going to talk about Deva Brat. Deva Brat has threw a bag of shades over there. SDP, you know the badness come down. We are talking about Beenie Man. Beenie Man won't stop. Zaga Zaga Zana now. Never stop, he always out there. SDP. But you know him not stop till him put himself in a trouble. Yo, the king of dancehall, teacher, SDP. The teacher always out there, you know, man. In my hot topic, you know, talk I town. Then can't hold him back. Yo, you see Rosalie over here, say, you see me? I go on a bag of things same way. You see me? Police and way, that's none of my business. You see me? Lisa hype over here, so be a chatting to them, they must say, oh, nah, this Vybz Kartel and thing. But you know, the badness come down now. Just listen to him and say, Footer hype, same way, SCP. Yeah, man, DJ Cali and Vybz Kartel link up. Viewers and subscribe, like, subscribe and share. SCP, when I Marley family, them there, same way, I go and hold it and I say few things, same way. SCP, so we are go there out here, go with a bag of thing. Cargo, out here, same way, I go with a bag of thing. Pretty done, away in color, same way. Oh, that's all. Your ZP. So, yo, viewers and subscribe. Me not go do too much chatting and thing in there. You see me? I go jump over and I clip it gem because here we go on. Yo, this one a long, you know. This one a epic, you know. Your ZP. Yo, you just show some love. Like, subscribe and share. Same way. Yo, watching the people. Viewers and subscribers. Guess this happy, you know. Here we go. We go jump in and clip it gem because I want a long as when me say. SVP, so we not waste no time. We just check out them things. You see me? It thing just one.
The real truth about Deva Brat, Vybz Kartel who won't see him.
Whatever them want rascal call them, want ask you a question, youth. You have fish. You love man. Is a man you look. Kartel say nah par with you. Because he's a rapist. You is no longer a part of the Gaza. Get over it. You go get up every day and sing song about Kartel through the man don't want par with your youth. I say you're obsessed with man youth. If a real warrior look for brother, alright, make a war then. Make a war. Because nobody else did it for war with. Keep Rich now war with nobody. I bluff him a bluff. Seeing Beenie and Bunty them done with the war. Merciless gone. Ninja man, they lock up. Seeing? And me alone, fully bad runway. Say if you want a real war and Deva Brat member, you're dumb bad. You're dumb bad, you never win a clash. Singing a bag of song about artists per record, cause 1 million ghostwriter can do in the studio write song here. But you never kill an artist on stage. Me walk out pan you on stage and you run off of the stage and me shell on the whole place. See? One little time you hire a clash pan sting. Hire right here. You're dumb bad. So what make you think you qualify for war with Kartel? And you can't even war with animosity. You can't even war with IRA. Eh? So how you have a war with Kartel? Youth, give it up, brother. Give it up. You see me? Can you get the opportunity to run the place? And what you do with it? Real people, girl pick me, I want to be cool with it. Putting out a bag of this song pan few with him. So you vex through the teacher now. Why you not at the school with him? Eh? More than 10 songs you have in a book just a sing book. I did like a manual look. Eh? When I hear about car, no porridge a cook one in a foot, slow you down, that the maggie you do, just a vomit a puke. Then me make it sing in your head like a popular hook. How you youth?
Like a gal in a nightgown. People, Jano, yo, the thing wild over here. So Vybz Kartel, the teacher for dancehall, the king of dancehall, Beenie Man, easy no, Deva Brat, easy no, yo, watching the man, yo, Vybz Kartel, you do it in the man, yo, Deva Brat, yo, the man them get wild over here. So who you are gonna take on for clash now?
I wanna deal with other kids being racist when I pick me at school, like. Because Roger come from school today and his teacher called me and I say, oh, you know, other kids are calling me and all type of shit at school and it's giving more put on a uniform and go up there. No sir. For real. Like, what am I for do? Cause
outside with shatter. What happened to you?
I want to see me Prime Minister. I want me Prime Minister. The Prime Minister, I want me councillor love me.
For Patricia Webb, our movie star.
Yeah.
Yes, and we are grateful.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see Patricia cut that ribbon today.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, movie star. Only one movie star, right?
Yeah.
Not you. One movie star.
Yeah, councillor.
Yes. Carmel Mountain. Shubo. I like it.
Me love you, no councillor.
I know you love me.
You're my Prime Minister.
When it comes to the Prime Minister, man.
What years will I see me Prime Minister?
Mash up and go because you see this everything. That's like a real new coordination to come back alive.
Kartel do anything when Elephant Man do in a real yet? Make we not go. I kill them and Beenie them then. Make a reason now. Cartel damage the world like Elephant Man yet? Make we just speak about that. Tell me now. Cause you all on a skip past Elephant Man. Make we just say Sean Paul and Shaggy, cause them are uptown youth, have the look a pretty look what the world like, them think them are Puerto Rican. Make we go in our street youth, them our ghetto youth, them repertoire now, the Bunty, the Beanie, the Ellie, the Capleton, the Sizzler, the Cartel pass Elephant yet? Since you know why we talk and point out some things, as Vybz Kartel pass Elephant Man out in the big world yet? No, he hasn't. So how the fuck when I come talk, and then when me talk now, it look like me hate Cartel, cause Uno, the fucking idiot, them way I follow Cartel, I try push more than what it is. I know me have to show you because you don't know the game. You don't know the business. The fuck wrong with you no man? Come on, man. When you relax, man. Cartel is a great youth and Cartel future bright. And since him come from jail, him well humongous than somebody say Ellie sell gold, Charlie Black sell gold, Charlie Black sell gold, Cranium sell gold, Egyptian sell gold, Buju sell gold. So what I say? Is Charlie Black the king of dancehall because him sell gold? And gold in America alone different from worldwide. Check the numbers them pan a busy signal. Watch out for this song. And check the numbers pan Fever where get gold worldwide. Not just RIAA. RIAA mean the Recording Industry Association of America. Check the world. Come on, man. Come on. Wanna stop it, man. Wanna stop it. Wanna stop it. Wanna stop it, bro. Wanna stop it, man. Yes. Nobody no go around that. Cartel sell gold from prison. It's amazing. It's amazing. It has never been done by a Jamaican artist. We love it. So what una say now? Because Elephant never got jail for 13 years and sell gold. So Elephant send himself to prison now and do 14 years and sell platinum and that una say? So the standard of greatness now depends on if you got prison. That now gonna happen. No man now send themselves to prison for say then great. Cartel was never doing none of them numbers there charge them price here when him did their reward.
Yo, me not lie, me see something. With one little girl from Spanish Town Road, she no more 14. Them I say one unpossessive man pulled prize door and tear off the little girl, beat her with a hammer and she dead. No, me not like up on media, you know, but me really have to talk about that one. Yeah. Or when Batman and man with people and on the mother, on the father, on the sister, on the brother, when you run out for them and block the road. With a little girl like this now, choose she your family or her family or him family, when the son, you not block the road for that. When you not search for that man there. Because it's not your cousin, it's not your sister, it's not your daughter, it's not your niece. It's not your grandchild. You see where Jamaica gone to, man. It's all good. It's 124 of everyone, you know. It's just what time it cut. They would cut at 23, 22, 21. Love, you hear me? I tell you, no?
When reggae music did on a low, the person who saved reggae music was Chronix. When Chronix come out, Chronix come save reggae music. Because reggae music was on the decline and Chronix come save it. And then after Chronix, they come Protege, Kibaka, Jesse Royal, them, Leela, and the others. So, that are the new school of reggae. So Chronix was the savior of reggae music. And the people with that wall of help, all of reggae music, when they get the recognition what they're supposed to get, was even Morgan Heritage. Are the best reggae group within our era, within the era, Morgan Heritage. A lot of people feel to understand that, but the truth is the truth. And remember, Jah Cure is a good artist because when he come from prison, he might go on with himself. But because of ignorance, he eventually they are prison right now. Because he need have to a promoter. All him have to do is take it to the law. So have him right and him give it and now they are prison. But Jack, you are talented artist, one of the talented artists. So remember, me to tell no, Chronics they save reggae music. And then after Chronics, you come the new generation of reggae artists. When you check the history and know the factual things. When you hear me talk, I'm not come talk things on the internet just for talk sakes up. And fun fact enough people might not know. Chronics is married to Jack your wife's sister. So Jack your wife and Chronic's wife are sisters. So the legacy continues.
Chat, yip, gun rise, click, clock, camera man, a pitch that.
Yo, I'm glad. I see all of me as a ring out ass. I hear gunshot till a week. I'm glad. Watch out, I run down up, son.
Listen to me. The man of the moment, I don't care where you come from. Alright, now see me? Actually,
drop them on my thing, man.
Definitely. When the West was one,
right now,
interview,
more the thing.
Yo, bag of something.
Bag of things.
Yo, listen to me. Sean Star, we are planning a lyrical funeral. You have to answer.
You know what you suck the pussy make you mad. What that? Bruh, Mr. Pedophile, you shouldn't brag. What that? Cargo is really shit in our bag. What that? What that? Nigga things when you want to with your mouth, feel like a cloud. Me hear him lax in a pussy a joke, feel like a cloud. Then dump out your grills in a crowd, feel like a cloud. And a batty that one day they call, feel like a cloud. Style pussy a can't.
Me gonna tell you the truth. Nobody at all never tell you the truth yet, Mr. Sean Storm. The most loyal Sean Storm, nobody top it blood clot singing. Stop it singing. You and Kartel are blood clot, big friend. You sit down in a jail with him, in a prison with him. Make Kartel write one song, give blood clot every day. You come out and look like a fucking idiot. Or what kind of song them there? Kartel pass them if you come out of the studio. If Kartel really sit down and hear you have this and then really make you come out of the studio with it. Kartel will get beaten just like you. Chance if I hear you write one more bumbo clot song. Chance go back to prison if you write the next song in that. Me say Chance take your freedom with a grain of blood clot salt, me G. You's not a hearty Sean Storm. None of your songs they don't sound good, me G. Me don't know who write the one when you the one with big fear. Me don't know about Sean Storm, Jesus Christ, you have a heart. A file, some sweet pepper seed, some cucumber, some blood clot pumpkin seed. I go farm down one piece of place, man. Go chop down one piece of bumbo clot bush and turn it on a farm. Go put some jelly pan here, put some pussy clot. What do you want? Some cucumber and them things and go sell lettuce. And them look a blood clotting that turn big farmer in Jamaica. Go get a machete and a bumbo clot file, me G. Me pussy clot. Chance you listen to this song when you preview. Me go up on TikTok and me shame for you. Me shame and I know me.
World boss, get the visa. Them never want the G leave ya. Them a much we get the Beenie Man. What for Caesar, give to Caesar. Copy ready.
Chance, your sugar daddy never tell you me we kill you. Chance, shoot up your little girl car where your man buy gear. Chance, I said a man. Your sugar daddy man never tell you me we kill you. A one shot fire them dead. Me pull up a shell of wet bread.
Then shot a fat shot in a popcorn. One man against the world with a gun in a arm. See them a ride off me cocky stuck it up in a arm. You a shot in me rate like me be my car. Gaza split up in a two, them nah go far. Your boss can go water for push it up.
When the vibrator boss boy head them still a wet bed. So no talking thing enough said. Come in a Wells Fargo, me no tech check. Me step the captain jump off the cargo ship a wreck. Hunter kill bird in a sky fish in a net. Man walk on the farm, kill the farmer.
Go eat. Eating is for free. I'm not cheap.
Baby, want my phone there?
Come fuck me and video me.
CP, Watch it now. Pretty done. Take your time, no man. You see, yo, the people them wild over here. So people, don't leave an opinion in the comment section. You see, yo, as well, I say, me not do no bag of chatting. You see, yeah, man. Foot a hype. Calm down, no man. Yo, buck, yo, over here warm, yo, people. And you just jump down in the comment section and do no damage. You see, yeah, man. Tell me one thing. What opinion? Dancehall now get wild. Yo, me love it. Yeah, man, Vybz Kartel, big up again. Me not take no side. Yo, but what me I say now, still, Beenie Man, Deva Brat, all on where I jump up right now, Sean Storm. Yo, if you start kick some of my man them in their face now music, you know. But you me I say, one man can jump up and say something right now to Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel, right him off. Yo, remember what me telling you in my last video, you know, alkaline alone can come out, you know. You see me and make you know, say, whoosh, whoosh. Come to the microwave. Yeah. Guess this happy you know. Here we go. We're going to jump in and clippage them because I want as long as we say, you see, so we not waste no time. We just check out them things. You see me? It thing just warm.
My bigger sister, and yeah, my husband, I'm a find out, Tasha Gooden. Beenie Man did want me boy, you know. You know, say Beenie Man want me boy, Tasha Gooden. You see, anywhere me hold you, Tasha Gooden, I gonna beat you, make your ball for your father. I'm glad him not there. He might go stay at Jamaica and feel the kick and something them when me I go give you. The kick and the thump them when me I go give you. Watch me here. Watch me here. Continue frig with me email. Continue frig with me email and see if me no rub you out on the media. Tasha Gooden. Me and your sister, you know. Me know say me and your sister. Tasha Gooden. Beenie Man did want me boy you. Girl. You bad mind me. I don't know where you bad mind me for. Come out of me email, girl. Come out of me email. Come out of me email, Tasha Gooden. Beenie Man did want me boy you. Beenie Man did want me boy you.
Yo, Chronic sing one song where him say, oh, dread, your mouth I go put you in a problem.
Beenie Man, that hairstyle, that glasses, you're starting to favor Miss Netta. So here what's going on. You see that bald spot on top of your head there where you're trying to hide? That you just comb, you take your locks. Beenie Man, you just take your locks and put it on top of your head so that you can hide the bald spot. So from one king, the Batana king, to a former king into a peasant, the dancehall peasant, Beenie Man, I want to send some Batana for you to grow back your hair because like your brain's leaking out from the top of that bald spot and you're talking about that shit. So from a Trinidadian, I want to bless you up with some Batana to grow back your bald spot.
You all are rooted in deceit and deception. You all are comfortable to hide behind a lie. And you all are an outrage against Beenie Man as though he committed some sort of sin. Huh? The truth is the truth. Many of you doubles vendors are using dead water. Water that they use, the last water that they use to bathe the dead. Do you want me to outline it? Do you want me to highlight the many funeral homes that sell dead water? As a matter of fact, by a certain time, the dead water is sold out.
I beg my friend. All don't like me, continue to like me. Not change your mind. I like people that I love it. I'm a family them. I can't tell you something. Alright, one more time, yeah. Bad man no beg friend from people.
I come for address one umbre name Levels. The same umbre when name Levels. What my vice soul cry for. Trump I'm a favorite president. Donald Trump, I'm a favorite president. Levels, you have basically 2 hours, 3 hours for left New York, New Jersey where you're there. If I still give you an ultimatum, you know. I still give you an ultimatum because you threatened me a while ago. You call my phone, you threaten me and tell me say me can't go back to Jamaica. Then you just call my phone and threaten me and tell me say me can't go back to Jamaica. First, I know everything I connect to me, you know, cause remember, you know, You did sign Denique, you know. I make Denique put on shirt with watermelon and my brother face, popcorn face, and I this my brother popcorn, you know. Everything I add up now. Zine? Then one day when my drop Soul Cry, you call me and tell me, say, I Octane and Bling Blang them call you and I cuss you, say, oh, you fi drop Soul Cry with Lisa Hyper and Ray. And me I say, yo, why I Octane would have call you Levels and I diss me? And the last time I there foreign, and me I Octane did a par. Me I Octane not there, cause I Octane not my type. You know, me love generals. Boss, them have well tough. Cause you know me hard for angle. So me have to deal with a man when me can show respect and when me we take talk from, when me can be submissive to. So that one. I Octane is not my type. I Octane too feminine for me. But what me I say is you call me and tell me say I Octane bling blang or whatever the ugly girl name. Call you and I say, yo, oh, you have to drop song with me and whatever, and oh, you give them the rhythm from how much years ago, and them a pre and whatever. And maybe I got this I Octane, but you say me not for this I Octane, but everything I add up now. Guys, me know nobody got send a lie on me and go call me name, but Kartel and follow Lisa Hype on Instagram. Come here, Vybz Kartel and follow Lisa Hype. So guys, no, she will crash out and start talking about things, guys. And no, Kartel, why you do that? Why you should just leave the following? You shouldn't bother unfollow. Then in Lisa, I find out, you know, because she's still a follow me, no guys. She's still a follow him, but him unfollow her. And if you not believe me, you know, go over there, go check. Go over there, go check for yourself. Because if you don't go so near, if you go so, guys, I mean, now I can't tell a lie. Remember with the page name, Only Facts here. Go over there, go look. You look like Kartel, so everything we are going. Him now come out and say nothing. He just move in a silence. But he unfollow Lisa Hype, so you know, say, he unfollow Lisa Hype, guys, you know that go right there, so you know, say, trouble in I can't. Remember my detail, you know. Lisa Hype, I better you keep yourself quiet. So you know, look like you're going to get a jelly, neither the body now. Because all of this. I don't like this at all. We're going to net people. One thing, come here, man. Come here. Get up and bungle up like skeleton and come.
Yeah, the teacher, you pussy pass the exam. You know the next one.
Watch out, Johnny. So me hear say Lisa Hype stranded on Fort Lauderdale streets them in a one pink skirt, pink suitcase and white glasses and one corner store white shirt. Lisa, go home, please. Go your yard. I talk about you can't jump on your red. What you mean you can't jump on your beg food? Stop embarrassing guys. Me say well I man them block you. You never come out with them well if a nice making you nobody would have to block you. I can't tell alone to block you yet. You the America embarrass yourself. What you doing a pink skirt and with pink suitcase and white glasses? Favor a man pan a DNG buckle. Come down. Boy plain miss you. Look how you shame yourself out and all call foot this year. You can call anti-foot of all people. Well, how you anti? Go your yard, Lisa. Go your yard. You're the Fort Lauderdale streets I look like a kid. Calm down. Go take your pill, let me know. Go on, go take your blood clot pill, let me want about the crawler. Me say one crawler shot you need and you got go your yard. Bellevue need it. Do me they catch you off foreign now? If they catch you off foreign, you fuck. If they catch you off foreign, them zap your blood clot up there. Zzz, you fuck.
Who wants to go back?
May I have your attention, please? To put the out.
Of Onaja Robinson. Right now she has a mental bipolar disorder, so she can't think correctly at this moment. She was not married to nobody. I'm trying to help her as her son to come back to the US. She was only supposed to go to Pakistan to meet him and his family.
I find the boy, the mad boy, the unsound mind boy. They find him fast, because I'm not going to do the girl that and get away and talk about say a madman. No. Jamaica rule change. Madness.
Some madman just walk in our apartment complex, take one hammer and batter one like a 14-year-old and a life hurt and nobody no know. I mean I talk about apartment complex, one house they far for us and one house at the stuff. Me I talk about apartment complex, one door there and one door there and one door there like two ticky bird. So you mean to tell me said none of who not hear that they put in the ball out for help after him spend so long till he all grape her and allegedly SAR as well. And none of uno in the no ear. Because uno tell uno say uno and him mama don't talk. Uno don't like him mama. Then I saw uno live bad dirty people. I saw uno live bad. I saw uno wicked and evil. That uno sit down up in the apartment complex and uno hear the little pitney and ball out for help. And none of uno no come out. None of no help the little girl, so the madman could have do all the mother with her and go about his business. And when tell you pick it down and alive and everything, the whole of no crawl out like cockroach with no phone and take a video. The whole of no crawl out like cockroach with no phone and take a video. Uno is a set of wicked and all of them the screams there. All of them the screams there. And all of them the sitting down the little pit they go through. If you hard to know, every time you go on the bed and lock on the eye, if you hard to know, because me no know what me could have did have up my neighbor so bad that me hear something happen to her picking and me never look. Then I saw no wicked. No. Put fun and joke aside. You can't tell me so you not hear nothing. You can't tell me so you not hear nothing. In them the building there were one house there, so one house there, so one doorway, maybe say one door there, so nobody hear nothing could have did to go help you little girl. I saw no live bad. I saw no 8, 9 and 10 hour mama. I saw no terrible. Me mama cloud hole no so. Me don't believe you know. Right now, me not believe you no man shop allow no tell pa madman. Me don't believe you no, but me I watch how this a go play out. Man shop allow no tell pa madman. I don't believe you no. Oh no wicked. Oh no wicked. Me cannot believe so something like this could have possible. In a apartment like in a them the building they were busy like a beast. None of who no pass by. None of no hear the pick me a ball out for murder. None of no hear the pick me a ball out for help. None of who no, mine allow no tell pa madman, man, knows a set of wicked.
I never bother me have no. I never rob nobody sitting, you know. And lose me hands them, you know. Our people beg me a favor. I'm so kind-hearted to complete the mission. And when me try to complete the mission, me lose me hands them. When me lose me hands them, me get electrocuted, drop out of 1 tree about 40 foot in a year, buffer ground. A 13,000 run through my body. Down to the lady who asked me if I go pick the breadfruit then. She never take me up and carry me to the hospital. She never sit with me go to the hospital and could have survived this a drama. A stranger and people know me. Here see me they lie down up there. And they run come to my rescue and carry me go Corner Regional Hospital. You could have done up a 10th floor and smell my body a bun. You ever smell when goat a roast? You ever smell when goat a roast? A summer smell. That's the level of burn we get. 3rd degree burn. You understand? Enough time people make me feel like a shit. So that's why you see me company up and I behave a certain way. Cause I realize if you not behave a certain way, you not get no recognition. Your story now go out to the public. Cause Jamaicans them not help one another. You understand, bro? You see why me have to behave a certain type of a certain persona and talk about certain things in our way. You understand? Me lose my hands them, bro. Cause I helping people and then turn them back for me. I never see them. Not once then come and give me all the money, all the grocery money. So alright, see if you can use this to survive for your week. Nobody don't know how me eat or how me drink. And my grandmother help me mostly. And my mother help me. And some of my family them it look out for me. I mean I have a big family set. You understand? Most time a people, stranger when I know me, rate me, and true people, me have a lot of people know me too. Question: do you have a prostate hand?
Not just nobody, just elite and jokes. Music can see me.
The whole of Spanish town I go blazy. Should I know? One night I know soft.
Name teacher?
GX name. Andrew Beckford.
Andrew Beckford?
Yeah, Andrew Beckford.
OC GX?
Yeah.
I'm Joe.
When I wake up in my deep sleep, I wake up in the front of 6 police or 7. GX at gunpoint. Someone grab off for the gun. Me grab off for the gun. Me grab off for the gun. Yo, what I do? What I do? Remember, you know, I'm asleep, I come out. Because I come out, I'm asleep. And them start shoot up, coming in my deep sleep. When you're in your deep sleep, you just wake up, you turn 8, you turn full. One time I ask them if them have a warrant for search. They never know so to come to a place like that. More them ask me have a warrant for search. We don't know coming after that. Them do a Jamaica to the young youths them. Them use them blue clothes. Them now come off and them use them blue uniform and bully the boy them at Jamaica. All of them. Them blue uniform, you ought to have no justice. Them use them blue uniform and go to Garrison and kick off young boy. Most of the young boy them when them say are done and the things them are all them are this and that. When them analyze them never have a gun yet. Most of the young boy them when you see them kick off them door. We need to talk to Andrew Holness. And that you know what for vote for because I never vote. I could have never vote for no, never. Someone ask the Prime Minister. I want to ask the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Sir Dr. Andrew Holness, or Mr. Holness, or Mr. Andrew Holness. What is system I do for we as poor people? For police can come to my house, have me and my baby father at gunpoint, and then they're going to video me and throw it on social media. What is that? What that? But you can't video me, come to my house and you do sting operation, you search, video me and put up on social media. Me need answers, of course. Me need a whole heap of answer. One only, I forget. I forget a whole heap of answers. Yeah? So Mr. Andrew Holness, what I do to the public and the people them? What do the so-called worker when I have done the JCF force? It's all the while when you kick down the young boy them gate door, go to them house, see them with all them baby mother, analyze them innocently. Cause police always look stripe. Police always look stripe. And always look stripe. When you come out to police and out, we can't get a justice now, you know. They won't take them off a frontline duty. They won't take them off a frontline duty. I will take them off a frontline duty. No come out to look on the girl where the policeman analyze and cremate her. But where the girl in name, man, I know that case I can't down a court. Where that girl in name, man? Anally, I know that case I can't down a court. I know that case I can't down a court.
Tell her the hungry black man me fuck.
I the hungry black man, fuck, me and fuck Addy from him ugly. From him ugly and broke and hungry. Me and fuck him. Me used to thief out my auntie cigarette and weed and give him when me a 5, 6, 7. A shabba them used to call me. Marissa man them handsome, you fuck. Forget that about girl. Move. Where? Come down. I want alone now in a class. I have ambition.
The vibe is electric. The vibe is electric. And I'm gonna get that fever drink. First of all, it's that white rum.
Yes.
And let me explain to you. You see it not open right now? Let's talk in about 20 minutes. You know what I'm saying? And I might have one of those TikTok videos with the cup, you know, with the little plastic cup like this, talking about you. Yo, Vybz, welcome home, brother. Welcome home.
So what do you make of critics who are thinking that once a Marley is in a category, then it's a done deal? You know, a Marley I go win.
Well, I try already and I never win, so that not that.
Yeah, 2021. No, 2001 actually.
That's true, but I mean, people are gonna feel how they want to feel. You know what I mean? What can I say? People have the right to feel what they want to feel, but you know, it's definitely not what a lot of people is trying to make it out to be. You know, we put in the work. Of course, other people deserve to win as well. You know, not against that. You know, I'm a fan. I'm a big fan of Kartel as well, right? So, you know, other people, sincere, likewise. You know, what can I say? There's not much I can say about that.
No,
But
No,
Say it
continue.
No, man, I said, it's not really much about that, you know. People go and feel how they want to feel, and people have the right to feel how they want to feel. People have the right to express themselves. But I mean, it's definitely that. I know I have an album coming out, and it almost makes me feel like, yeah, that's it. I not even bother want to enter mine, you know.
When I talk about me follow Foota hype on this cartel, me not follow nobody on this no cartel. And stop call up Foota hype name. Stop call up the man name. Cause me tag him. And me tag Foota hype. And me tag Foota hype. And really and truly, me never this cartel, me just a vent. You see it? Me just a vent. I've put up with so much over the years, and I shall put up with no more. Yeah. No more me not put up with. I work for mine. I work very hard for mine. And him gonna give me all away. I work so hard for me reap, and I shall sow. I reap from the age of 16. And God say a time now for me sow. I know me, you know. A God. A God. Right now, me just a be still and I make God work. And that me I do. Me just a be still and make God work for me. Right? Because my hands clean and my heart clean. See? Me not have God over you so and the devil over you so. Me have God you so and God you so. And my ancestors them they you so. And the angel them they behind my ancestors them. Yeah, me mean me sow. Yeah, me mean me sow. So me a go reap. A time for me reap. When me sow. Me a sow from the age of 16. So a time for me reap. And God says so honor me. And What I want my fans them to remember, everything about life, spiritual. You see me? Yeah, everything about life, spiritual, and he who exalts himself shall be abased. He who exalts himself shall be abased. And the stone that the builder refused will always be the head cornerstone. And Vybz Kartel is still my boss. You know, nah try change that. He must still my boss. I forgive him for what he do to me over the years. And he is not God. And like how God can forgive me, and me can forgive him. He have to forgive me because God forgave him and had mercy upon him for all the things that he has done. Zine? So, I just time for we forgive each other and move on in a positive way and a positive light, because everybody have them family to take care of. Everybody want to do good. You see me? Everybody want to do good. So, I just time for we just move on from them negative energy there in the past and just walk in the light of positivity and prosperity. Zine, as I said before, big up Chronic Law. See me? Yeah, big up Chronic Law. We have a song called The Phoenix coming out. I also speak called The Golden Fleece. Zine, I'm gonna drop that first. Soul Cry upon it. Free and Happy with Aishana upon it. Me have a thing called Hard Drive upon it. Zine. Hard Drive I drop the 14th of February. Yeah, Hard Drive I drop the 14th of February. And then you have the Phoenix album. The album they may drop first. You see me, people? Phoenix album I drop first. After the EP, which is The Golden Fleece. Steph London upon the EP. The song with me and Dexter that's upon the EP. Make Love, that upon the EP as well. And what else? Yeah, Best of Me featuring Preske is on the EP as well. Zine, a 7 song upon the EP. Oh, Grinding with me and Massacre upon the EP as well. So, wanna just look out for all of the works them way I go on. A lazy people alone sleep, you know. Yeah, lazy people alone sleep. So when you not come to my life and ask me if I not go sleep, I don't go sleep. What not worry about me for? What not worry about me for? I only forgot on a bed. Tomorrow Friday. Tomorrow Friday. Some of them have no ambition. So some of them have no work. But the people them will have ambition. Yeah man, about time for no kinda jump up now and go all a well cool shower or a well hot one. Anyone who no prefer. I no working clothes and get ready for work. The people them were lazy and have no ambition. I wanna go sleep. Yeah. I wanna go sleep. Yeah, God have me covered. Father God have me covered. I not worry about a thing. I them I worry. Me not worry. Them a worry. Yeah man, big up Footer Hype, same way, big up Aishana. Big up Dexter Daps. Big up Dexter Daps. Big up my boss. Vybz Kartel. Big up the whole of Gaza. You see me? Chronicler. Massacre. Yeah man. Life nice. So as I say, I never did a diss him, I just did a vent. Never did a diss him, I just did a vent. Everybody vent, don't it? You see me? Just did a vent, and after all that I've been through, you have to just understand, you know? You have to just understand and be happy and live him life with see them, because me free and happy and me I live my life with who me for live it with, you see me? Yeah, I live my life with who me for live it with. I know say me not emotional. Me emotionally detach myself from everybody, you know. Me not attached to nobody right now, you know. Yeah man. Me not emotional. Me just feel like a time for me be vulnerable and show my fans them raw emotion, you see me? Yeah, just feel like a time for my fans them feel the pain when me I go through, you see me? Yeah. Really and truly, I already booked my therapy session with Dr. Langmore. So when I come to Jamaica, I'm gonna start therapy with Dr. Langmore. I already spoke to her about it. I just want to say I love you, Dr. Langmore. And I don't want you to worry. I don't want you to listen to all the calls that you're getting, because we know how people wicked. Now I listen to them. Nothing wrong with me. But I'm still gonna come and do therapy with you. Alright, so for the people that are speaking about mental health, one, I do not have a mental health problem. Two, I do not suffer from depression. I don't suffer from the depression. See? Three, don't get me wrong, depression and mental health is real, right? And for the people who belittle people that are going through mental health and depression, I pity you guys. I pity you guys very much, because if you no mind never so shallow and so basic, you would have known say are only geniuses and people were brilliant and use them brain a lot really go through mental health and depression. And are really geniuses, them say mad. You know, just like how them used to say Frankenstein mad, and we can call many more names, etc. But just a show you say, no mind. Some no mind shallow and basic, and it's very distasteful. It's very distasteful. And as I say, I pity you know. I really pity you know, man. Really pity you know. But don't forget this either. So a man think it's so easy. Zine. And he who exalts himself shall be abased. You know them way there? Yeah. So you can't say none of the people name where me I call did act like this. They are not me and I am not them. I am doing my job. So you guys can't tell me how to market my songs and market my work. And you guys can't tell me who to be or what to be. You see me? Me I go just do me and be me. You see me? If you not look somebody if you control, go control on no mama. See? Yeah, nobody can program me and nobody can control me. You see me? Yeah, only person me who would I respect the two are the system. Yeah, system alone me would I respect the two. But not man. Not man. Me no owe man no respect like that. You see me? Because in my downtime, only person me see a God. In my downtime. God are the only person me see. In my downtime. So, me no owe no pussy hole nothing. God alone. Yeah. God alone. So, the people them way come here upon my life when I have no ambition, when I have no work, well lazy, una can go sleep now. Yeah, una need to go sleep, and the people them way do have a job, una can go and go get ready for work. Cause this moment here, so it's just for me and my fans, my day ones.
Can see me with teeth, no funds, come on a call white boy.